Come on, start. There it goes. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're working on the S2000. Check it out right there. We're doing the interior. It's literally all the airbags, dash, wheel, and then both seat belts locked up. So we're gonna be taking care of that today, and let's go. Before we get started, I got some new headlights and taillights coming for the car. So these are AP1 headlights, and then that one smashed, but here's what an AP2 taillight look, or AP1 taillight. I'm getting both AP1 headlights and taillights right here. Taillights already came in. Check it out. Pretty sick. I already unboxed them. I couldn't wait, but you know, brand new. Just look a lot cleaner and stuff like that. But yeah, let's hop on to the interior and let's get going. I got some NVIDIA exhaust on the S2000. Check it out. Thing screams. Also, I just started sorting some of these wires out. There was some kind of weird backup camera thing on top of this mirror, so some random wire right here, and then this AM air fuel ratio gauge. Started taking it apart. I mean, it looks like it's been wired properly, but this wire's got to go for the backup camera. I'm not going to be using that, and it kind of looked ugly. So I don't want to take all the interior panels out, so I'm just going to chop this fat piece right here. Bam, and then this thing should just slide right out. There it goes. I got rid of one wire, and then there's another one on this side. I'm not sure where that one goes to. I'm gonna have to figure it out, but let's keep working. I found some more wires for the backup camera. I'm guessing this is what it was. It comes from over there. There was some kind of camera thing. Here it is. Some electric crap, I don't know, but this fat old wire has been run down all the way through and then behind. I started pulling it out, and then there's some kind of electrical issue going on because it started like frying and melting. So good thing I found out. I'm gonna just yank all out of the car, and no more fire damage, baby. So first thing I did to remove the steering wheel airbag, you pop this little plastic piece off, and then there's a star bit. It's probably like a T20 or something, T25. Just unscrew that, I'm pretty sure. And then on the other side, same thing. This thing should just pop right out. I'm really not sure what size this is. It's probably like a T25, honestly. Let me turn this. The wire melted on. Gotta pop it out somehow. Alright guys, so the wire did melt onto the airbag, but you got this little harness right here, so this thing's ready to go in the dumpster, and new one's gonna be on the way soon. So alright, so wheel airbag is off. Moving on to these seat belts. There are some kind of contraptions inside of this little harness bar. I don't even know what to call it. So you gotta take it off. I already started on that side. Take these little clips off. This thing pops off, and then there's some Phillips head screws just around. I think that's about it. I'm gonna start on it and see what happens. All right, check this out, y'all. So I'm learning as y'all are learning. I have no clue. This is my first time working on the S2000. But pretty much this panel had to come off because there's another screw right there. So pretty much, how was it sitting? Somewhere like this. I pulled it off anyways, but I don't think you had to gain access to that hole. But yeah, let's take the screw off. I'm learning along just as y'all are learning. Check this out, guys. I got this little plastic piece off. there was an extra screw right there, and then you have to take one of those off. You don't actually have to take the whole center console off. It just kind of, you know, slid in there whenever I did it. So I think we can get it back on there the same way. But there's like a little metal roll bar. That's pretty cool. But the seat belt right here, I think that's a 12 and maybe a 13, or what did I have on there previously? Because I unscrewed this one already. That's a 14. Okay. I'm gonna unbolt that one, and then work on getting that other one off. Okay, it was actually a 10 mil, so let's get it off. Alright guys, got the seat belt off. Literally, to unhook the harness from back there, you literally just pull back like this, and it just comes right off. So we'll ship these out to get restored, and while we're at it, let's get the other one. Also, to get that last bolt over there for the seat belt, not airbag, you gotta actually remove 2 bolts and kind of lean the seat just so you get access to it. But let's repeat the same process, and I'll catch you guys on the dashboard. All right guys, so second seat belt's taken out, and I was trying to pop this one, but I already got a new one, so I'm just gonna look. There's literally 3 nuts and bolts. I was just trying to pop the cap off. I thought there was gonna be some bolts right there, but the cap's actually connected to the bag. So 3 nuts, already got 1. Let's get the rest of them. All right, just removed all 3 of them. There we go. This thing just popped right out. Now, where's the wire? You gotta unhook. There it is. And it unhooks right there, same style connection, just literally yank on it, bam. It's already out. That's all you need. Might as well just install the new one while we're at it. You gotta get the wire. All right, so wiring got connected, put it back in the OEM spot, and then just gotta tighten the nuts. 1, 2, and 3. This one's ready to go. All right guys, so we're pretty much done with the interior today, but might as well show you guys a little side-by-side comparison of the AP1 versus AP2. Well, I got the wrong side because this side is busted, so I'm gonna get this side. So guys, here's a quick comparison: AP1 versus AP2. AP2 is a lot cleaner. The AP1 has 2. This one has 3 circles, or 3 different bulbs, and I believe oh, they're actually LED, full LED. Okay, so yeah, they're pretty much, I think the wiring might be a little different, so we're gonna have to do some custom wiring, but a lot cleaner. So guys, check it out. I'm just mocking it up on the car right now. We do got the S2000 Fender. Came off a red car. It does have the VIN number right here. The only thing that was wrong with it, there's a little bit damaged on this tip corner right over here. So we're gonna have to line it up with the headlight, bend it out, and put some body filler on it to make sure it's perfect. And along with the along with the fender, we got some headlights, AP2 headlights as well. Check it out. They're brand new in the box. They just look amazing. Let me bring it out for you. Let's try to mock it up on the car and kind of see the look we're getting with this thing. There we go, it's kind of mocked up. I didn't throw it on any bolts or anything, but it's looking really good. We're still gonna need this lower bracket. And yeah, I mean, this thing's gonna be looking really good once it's finally done. Compare this headlight to the AP1 headlight. AP2 just looks so much more modern and better. So that's the look we're going for right now. So as soon as the trunk comes in, we're gonna throw it on the frame machine in that garage over there, and finally get some work done to this thing, because it's been sitting around for a while, and yeah, this thing is just in rough shape. So as I said, the quarter panel, the other one has like a big old Bondo over here and a bunch of Bondo down here. So I don't know, I was thinking about cutting about half of it, and because we're trying to save the VIN number so it's all original. And let me know what y'all guys think. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but we'll give it a shot. So as soon as that trunk lid comes in, we're gonna throw it up, and this thing's gonna get started to get worked on. And also, I'm trying to get some new wheels for it, because a bunch of them are in rough shape, and there's like a big old curb rash over here. And then this one, it's just got a flat tire and some more curb rash down here. And one of the studs is broken and the wheel's like, I don't know if someone's trying to steal it or something. We got a flat over here. And yeah, so I might just throw these up on Marketplace for pretty cheap or something. I don't know. I'll see what happens. But I'm trying to get some new wheels and tires. Let me know, guys, what y'all think down below. And yeah, you guys check this thing out. We got a quarter panel for the S2000. But one bad thing is we noticed there was a little crack and we started digging into it. There's some Bondo right over here, as well as right over here. So it's not a good sign. I mean, this thing's been previously repaired. The junkyard didn't know about it. We didn't know about it. And right there, someone did a bad job of sanding it. So we're gonna have to repair it ourselves, do the best of what we got. Might just end up cutting half of it. I'm not sure, because we do want to keep the original VIN number on the car. So we'll have to just see what happens. Also, guys, we do have a trunk coming in. So as soon as the trunk comes in, we're gonna actually throw it up on the frame machine over there. I don't know if y'all could see it in the other garage. Also, guys, y'all might have saw Infinity. It's back from paint. This thing's looking stunning. I'll make a separate video on that. But my dad's working on his buddy's Mustang over here. GT. It's Petty's Garage or something. I guess they've done some work to it. But yeah, check it out. Got some custom interior floor mats. This is a pretty cool car, manual. But yeah, he's just aligning body gaps for him right now. This thing is just kind of rough. Came back from the paint shop, had some front end damage. So we're gonna work on that. It's got some cool HRE wheels all around. Some fat tire setup. Pretty cool. Let's start up. Let's see how this thing sounds. Apparently it's got some kind of exhaust on it. So guys, y'all can see this thing sounded pretty good. Manual transmission, 6-speed. Petty's Garage right there. Even the guy signed it. What else we got? I think it's got a cold air intake or something. Just kind of, yeah, Petty's Garage intake. I mean, this thing's pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna do the body gaps on it, and that's pretty much it. We'll give it back to the guy. Man, this thing's gonna look so sick when it's done. I'm so excited for this rebuild. This bumper we're definitely gonna save. It's just literally some scratches, and you can just do some body work to that. And there's a little tear right here, so we're just gonna do all that. I think there was a tow hook on here. That's why I ripped. The bumper flew off and it kind of just tore it right there. But I mean, this bumper, it's in rough shape. This thing was low as crap, so yeah, that explains all that scratches and stuff. I might jack the car up once I get some new wheels. And we still got the 86 right here, so I'm gonna make a 10-minute video on the rebuild on that one. So stay tuned.